Generate key. GPG full generate key. Please select what kind of key you want. Type 9 and press enter. Select CCC. Please select which elliptic curve you want. Type 1 and press enter. Selects curve to 5519. The industry standard. Please specify how long the key should be valid. Type 0 and press enter. This sets the key to never expire. Is this correct? Type Y and press enter to confirm your choices. Real name. Enter your name. A mail address. Enter your email. Comment. Optional. You can leave it blank or type something like official key. Type O capital O for OK and press enter to proceed. A pop-up will ask you to set a passphrase. Type a secure password to protect your secret key. Verify key. GPG lists secret keys keyid format long. In the terminal output, look for the line starting with SEC and SSB. The strings of characters right after the slashes are your GPG master key ID and sub key ID.